So guys, kami ni Terry ay pupunta ngayon sa MOA Arena mamaya para mag-duty sa Gary B concert. Ano masasabi mo paring Terry?
Sana maging success yung duty natin. Wala mangyaring kahit anong uri ng aberya. Basta safe tayo lang.
Yan, guys. Sa ngayon, muni-muni muna kami sa paboritong tambayan namin, Alphamart. So guys, kita-kits mamaya.
Pag nagdadaan na oro pag
Pag umaga.
Naka-joyride ako yung umiikot ako, walang booking.
Anong oras?
At hapon, bisa gano'n.
Wala.
Na-check po ako nga doon, pumunta ako, may big baptismal, binyag.
Binyag?
Oo, may pet.
Nandun nga kami nun eh.
Wala, hindi mo kayo makikita doon.
Pwede tayo.
So guys, ito nga pala yung achievements ni Gary Valenciano simula nung una pa siya maging singer hanggang ngayon. Guys, ito na. Ito nga yung gold record na posters, iba pa, mga dati yung naging costume sa mga concert. Gold record, silver record. So ito na, malapit na magsimula ang concert ni Gary B. Ang last day ng concert ni Gary B.
What's up? Do you wanna get going? Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Mahimukin pa, pilitin pa ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan. Lumulutang nasasayang ang buhay mo at ang ibinubulong ng iyong puso. Matutulog pa ang Diyos, matutulog pa. At ikaw ay na ikaw ay maghintay, na humugin pa, pilitin pa ng tahan. Gawin mo na. My next guest tonight is one incredible songwriter. I guess that's why they call him Glock 9. Listen, I realize that's a pistol. It's a weapon. But his weapon isn't meant to destroy. Every song he has a message that's meant to build people. That's meant to make people think and choose what is right. It has been an honor for me to have been chosen to record this song, to shoot a performance video for this song with none other than my guest, Glock 9. Walang natigil kang tumataya, baka sakaling nagagrap ang iyong pinakahihintay. Kahit na ikaw lang ang nakakatanaw at ang dahil kahit walang pumapalampan, hindi nila kailanman maramdaman kung gaano kabigat ang iyong minamasan. Kailangan sabihin, hindi mo magaling gawin. Kailangan mo mahanap pero bago tumigil. Kailangan sabihin mo kahit nasa limit. Kahit katotohanan na mahirap umupin. Kung ang kanila madalas mo ba, ang mahirap ang lahat ng pinag-umis mo ba? Ang masuhugasan mo ito ng kanilang mura. Ang kita kasi ang me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and I cry for just a while. The warrior is a child. I'm afraid because his armor is the best. Makes me afraid when no one's around. I drop my sword, I look up for a smile. 'Cause deep inside this arms, deep inside this arms, deep inside this arms, the warrior is a child. Nais mo lamang gawin ay bali-bali ang iyong sagola. Ikaw ang hari ng iyong pawid. Sa tabi mo ako ang magmamasid. Nais ko lamang mangyari lumipad ang iyong sarambola. Lipad ang gawin mo. Game time for you. Take out the galaxy. Came around. Not just waiting for the day, expecting the sun to shine. It doesn't shine all the time. Oh, wait. Ito, gusto mo rin yung mga gimmick? Watch this. Falling in love, falling apart. You think it's the end of the line. Just pour your heart out crying, then you'll feel just fine. Now if you're thinking that you're the only one, go take a look down and you'll find I've been there with my both feet on the ground, with all my friends behind me, out and out of all this time. I'm going up, getting down. Think of the galaxy came around. Not just waiting for the day, expecting the stuff. And the way he plays the guitar for our show tonight, for the shows that we've been having. This is Mix Radieses. Our vocalists for tonight, each of them can do a solo concert on their own if they want to. This is LK Saison Ortiz. That is Alyssa Quijano. Someone I've known from way back. Mayhan Casal Soriano. Ano ba kaya ang dapat gawin ng isang katulad ko upang paniwalaan at intindihin mo ang mga nais sabihin ng puso ko? Bigyan na ako ng makakatapong paliwanag ang iyong isip. Sabihin mo o babalik pa natin ang kahapon. I know. Wait, you know, actually, when we rehearsed, we only rehearsed a while ago, so this is really a jam that we're doing. Pero, I guess, man, we've been part of projects time and time again. But this perhaps is many times. But this probably is the one that I will remember the most. Shall we do this? I'm sure you know this one. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, if in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear, 'cause I will be here. I will be when you feel like being quiet. You need to speak your mind. I will listen. I will be when after turns to cry. Through the winning and losing, trying, we'll be together. 'Cause I'll be here. Are we all here? Wow, there are so many of them. Charo, there's one. Thank you. Okay, friends, may this song just simply bless you. Lead me, Lord, lead me by the hand and help me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can. You are mine. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Lord. Even though once I'm your road, lead me, Lord, and never leave my side. All my days, all my life. You are my life. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time I'm gonna keep you there. You are my life. I cannot live alone. Let me of every broken heart, of every single broken heart. Inside out, each passing night, I ask myself who's right and try to find the reasons why it had to end that night. Did we share each other's dreams? We had each other's time. Let me here, like the wind you pass me by. I try but I can't see if it's something that I said. Baby, please won't you tell me now? 'Cause it gets hard to reach passing down.
That you tell me, yeah, I will be there, I'll be there. Deep inside you know that there is something more.
I've had my share of disappointment. Ang mga oras natin nakaraan, bakit nagkaganito? Naglaho nga ba ang pag-ibig mo? Kaya kong iwan ka, hindi na sa asa pa. Kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Isipin di mo kaya yan. Ang nadarama ay pagbigyan. Sa gawin ng pag-ibig ang paglalagyan. Na rin na panibagong pagkakawang walang pagkakaroon ng awing ako'y masasalamat man. Hallelujah, sama-sama pigsing na bago. Masasalamat ang pinapanggit. Sayawan ang lahat ng narating. Sa pagtulog, binigay lang sa pagtutulog ay pagsabog ang isiyaw. Ang Panginoon, hallelujah, sama-sama, titig na bago. Sabayan, sabay sumama ka. Sige na lang, sige. Oh, kailangan naman yan. Ako ikaw. Huwag na kaya lahat mo akal na kaya. Tayo ay magpasya sa bagsak ng mo kaysa sa pagkikyo. Sana'y pagbigyan niyo ako at makikita niyo tama paghakaw at pagkaroon ng todo. Pagkaririnig ko na ang awit ay natutuwang tunay. Ang kailangan ay magkapit. Sige lang lang, sige, kahit sino forever. Huwag kang mapagod. He's the choreographer of 18. Listen. Ngayon, araw-araw, hindi pa sa panahon, kalimutan ko siya'y malayo sa isip ko. Di kaya pinaipon ka lang ako. Bigla na naman nagbago ang isip niya. Pagkakatakong ko nang makasagot ko siya. At ang sinabi ko'y alam ko ba, kaya ko ba, di palay na lang. Ako magkakayaan ka sa puso niya. Di palay na lang. Ngunit mahal ko siya. Di palay na lang. Di palay na lang. Friends, you know I can't end it like that. I gotta end it like this. Again, I say thank you to all of you. I love you guys. This is great. Hindi ko na alam.
Uwi na kami. Tapos na. Shout out. Tol. Shout out. Alright.